Here we go with a Bayou test run on a 1950 TN-28 Johnson 5 horsepower. Taking her for a final test run out on the Bayou. Let's see how she does. Alright, I'm out here on the Bayou this morning with my TN-28 1950 Johnson 5 horsepower. Taking her for a test run. She runs pretty good. Let's see what she can do. Not bad. Very nice. As you can see, she's a beauty. Pushes my 14-foot 1957 Feathercraft about 10 miles an hour. This is pretty awesome. I do need a new handle grip. I have it on order. This motor is for a customer of mine named Buddy. Once the grip comes in, she'll be ready, Buddy. I'll let you know. Let's take her for another spin. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.